Okay, y'all. We got the interstate now. Nap battery still won't. Oh, yeah. We can just go get some gas. Okay, ready, Devin? Go when you're ready. Is it working?
Yeah.
Oh, did you drop that in the carb?
No.
Okay, here goes.
Come on, B. Getting there. Come on.
It's just teasing us.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some more ether in there.
Okay, I got the choke open.
Hold on.
Thank God for interstate batteries. Okay. Chokage. Pumpage. Oh.
Come on. Keep going. Come on. Go.
This is cold start right here. Let me do two feet here. One for the starter, one for the gas.
Here's the pumpage.
Oh, this is just being gay. Come on.
Pumpage.
We don't want to kill this interstate. Fuck. No choke. Oh shit. Let's get some gas in the carb.
I got more ether.
Try it. Just squirt some in there. Doesn't want to run. Come on, Dumpy. Good boy, Devin. That's good. Ignition. What the hell?
Give it choking.
It is choked. Yeah! Got a little pressure. That's one hell of a cold start right there. I'm gonna let this warm up for like half an hour.
Can't you like take your battery cables off?
How's the battery? Is it still there?
Yeah, it's